Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that has been causing quite a buzz in the beauty world. Today, I'm reviewing the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Simma Brown Now. This eyeliner has quickly gained attention for its rich hyperpigmented color and promises a smooth, creamy application with a long-lasting matte finish. The question is, does it live up to the hype? First off, let's dive into what this eyeliner is all about. This pencil comes packed with vibrant pigment and claims to deliver an intense, long-wearing color with minimal effort. Whether you're going for a bold statement look or a more subtle definition, this eyeliner's versatility is a major selling point. It's also cruelty-free, which is always a plus if you're conscious about your beauty choices. When I first tried it, the smoothness was immediately noticeable. The application was creamy and glided on effortlessly, which made it perfect for both precise lines and smudged, smoky looks. The Simma Brown Now shade is a deep, warm brown, and it's ideal for creating depth without the harshness of black liners. I found it to be the perfect balance between soft and striking. As for longevity, this eyeliner did not disappoint. It stayed in place for hours, even through a long workday and a couple of coffee runs. I didn't notice any fading or smudging, which is a win for a pencil formula. However, I did feel the need to touch up a bit at the waterline, but that's fairly typical for most pencil eyeliners. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this eyeliner's pigmentation is outstanding. A single swipe delivers bold, rich color, and the smooth texture makes application a breeze. It's also versatile. You can create a fine, defined line or a more blended, sultry effect. Plus, it's an affordable option, which is always a bonus in today's beauty market. On the flip side, while it's long-wearing, if you're someone who has oily eyelids, you might notice a little bit of transfer throughout the day. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you're going for a look that needs to stay flawless all day. The pencil also doesn't come with a built-in sharpener, so you'll need one on hand to keep that precise tip. When it comes to value for money, I think the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner offers great bang for your buck. It delivers professional-level pigmentation and performance without the high-end price tag. So if you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality eyeliner, this one definitely checks the boxes. In comparison to other eyeliners in the same price range, this one stands out. Many budget-friendly liners can feel dry or lack pigmentation, but this formula is smooth and richly pigmented, putting it a step above similar options in the market. If you're after a versatile liner that can take you from a simple daytime look to a smoky evening vibe, this is a solid choice. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The pencil feels sturdy, and I appreciate that it's compact enough for travel. However, I do wish it was a twist-up formula rather than requiring sharpening, but that's more of a personal preference. In terms of customer support, I've never had to directly interact with Wet n Wild for this product, but the brand's reputation for handling customer inquiries seems solid. They're well known for their affordable yet reliable beauty products. If you're looking for alternatives, you could explore eyeliners from other drugstore brands like Maybelline or NYX, which also offer great pigmentation and longevity at a similar price point. But for the price, Wet n Wild's eyeliner is a strong contender. So, would I recommend this eyeliner? Absolutely. It delivers on its promises of rich color, creamy texture, and long-lasting wear, all while being accessible to a wide range of beauty lovers. It's perfect for anyone who wants a high-performance eyeliner without breaking the bank. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.